Hi guys! This is a short video on how to disable automatic update installation on your Windows 10 computer. Feel free to use this as reference if you need help modifying your Windows laptop or desktop settings to make it stop installing new updates automatically. Start by clicking on the Windows icon on the leftmost corner of the status bar. Then, click the Settings icon. The Windows Settings menu opens. Find and click Update and Security. Another window will appear. On the left pane, click Windows Update under the Update and Security section. Windows Update details will show up on the right pane. Click Advanced Options to proceed. Another set of information will show up. Scroll down to the Pause Updates section. Then click the drop-down arrow next to Select Date. A list of dates will show up. Select the date when you'd like Windows to resume download and installation of new updates. Automatic download and installation of Windows updates will then be temporarily paused on your computer until the specified date. Please note that when you reach the pause limit, you will be required to get new Windows updates installed before you can pause it again. Opting to delay updates can buy you time and ensure that your computer won't be affected by some post-update bugs. Any transpiring issues during the initial rollout of the update should already be fixed by Microsoft by then. You may also opt to block updates during active hours. This option can be accessed through the Windows Update and then open the Change Active Hours menu. To resume Windows Update download and installation, just click Resume Update button on the Windows Update menu. Otherwise, keep it halted until the set date. And that's how you do it. If you think our contents are useful, please help our channel grow. A single click on the subscribe button as well as the notification bell icon is greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching.